Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing all elements. Cook 1 cup of rice and drain 1 cup of canned black beans. Chop 1 medium onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a pan. Sauté onion and pepper 2 to 3 minutes. Add garlic, 1/2 tsp cumin, 1/2 tsp chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir in beans and warm through. Warm 1 8-inch tortilla on a dry skillet, 15 seconds per side, to make it pliable. Lay the warmed 8-inch tortilla flat and create a layer with 1/2 cup cooked rice, followed by 1/2 cup of the warm bean and vegetable mixture. Add 1/4 cup shredded cheese, sliced avocado, and 2 tablespoons salsa for moisture and flavor. Distribute ingredients evenly, leaving a 1-inch border at the top and bottom. Fold the bottom edge up over the filling, fold both sides toward the center. Then roll away from you to form a tight cylinder that seals the fillings inside. To finish, press the rolled burrito in a hot skillet or panini press and cook about 2 minutes per side until golden and crisp. Serve immediately with lime wedges, chopped cilantro, and extra salsa or sour cream. For leftovers, wrap tightly in foil and refrigerate up to 3 days or freeze up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating. Reheat frozen or refrigerated burritos in a 350 degrees F oven for 10 minutes, or microwave 60 to 90 seconds until heated through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.